The Colt Navy Model 1851 revolver also ranked among the Civil War's most celebrated and frequently used sidearms. Employed by both Northern and Southern troops, Samuel Colt's .36 caliber percussion revolver was intended for naval service, yet quickly gained popularity among infantry, officers, and cavalry. The Colt Navy was prized for its balance and manageability. Weighing around 1.2 kilograms, it was lighter than comparable revolvers, allowing quicker handling in combat. Holding 6 shots loaded with black powder and round or conical lead bullets, it furnished decent accuracy and stopping power at short to medium range.